Imagine standing at the precipice of a brave new world, a world where money exists not in the form of coins or paper, but as digital assets. Have you ever wondered about this world of cryptocurrency? Well, today will be your guide into this fascinating digital frontier. Cryptocurrency, in essence, is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It's like the internet money that exists solely in the digital realm. An exciting characteristic of cryptocurrency is its decentralization. It's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Imagine having your money in a place where no bank can touch it. This digital currency operates on a technology called blockchain. Picture a chain, but instead of metallic links, it has blocks of transaction information. Each block is like a page of a ledger, and when a block is filled, a new one is created. This makes it super secure and almost tamper-proof. Did you know there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies? Bitcoin, the Elvis Presley of digital currencies, was the first and remains the most popular. But there are others like Ethereum, the Beyoncé of the bunch, and even Dogecoin with its adorable Shiba Inu mascot. Now let's take a trip down memory lane to the year 2009, the birth year of Bitcoin. This was the brainchild of an enigmatic individual or group named Satoshi Nakamoto. Following Bitcoin's introduction, other cryptocurrencies began to emerge, each with their unique characteristics and uses. Cryptocurrencies have been on a roller coaster ride since their inception. There have been highs, like when a Bitcoin was used to buy a pizza, and lows, like when the value of cryptocurrencies plummeted. It's a financial adventure with all the thrills and chills of a theme park ride. You might be wondering why cryptocurrency is such a big deal. Besides its decentralization, cryptocurrency offers the potential for high returns. However, with high reward comes high risk. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly, and while the security of cryptocurrency itself is robust, the platforms where they are stored can be vulnerable to hacks. It's like having a strong safe, but the key to it can be stolen. Also, the field of cryptocurrency is still relatively new, with many aspects yet to be fully understood. In conclusion, the world of cryptocurrency is a thrilling and unpredictable one. Whether you decide to invest or just watch from the sidelines, knowledge is power. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember to secure your digital wallets. Until next time, stay savvy in the world of cryptocurrency.